Ever wondered if cracking your knuckles is a one-way ticket to Arthritisville? The answer is no. Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. That satisfying pop? It's just gas bubbles in your joint fluid having a party when you stretch your fingers. Studies show no link between knuckle cracking and joint damage. Science to the rescue. But if you're a serial cracker, it might weaken your grip over time. So maybe don't overdo it. Love that pop? Go ahead, just don't go overboard. Knuckle cracking feels great and doesn't harm you. So, are you a proud knuckle cracker?